Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to export Canva designs step by step. Whether you want to save your design as an image, PDF, or another supported format, Canva makes the export process quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open Canva and sign in to your account. Then open the design that you want to export. It can be a presentation, poster, social media post, resume, invitation, worksheet, or any other Canva project. Once your design is ready, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the Share button. In the menu that appears, select Download to open the export settings. Now choose the file type that best fits your needs. Canva offers several export formats, including PNG for high-quality images, JPG for smaller image files, PDF standard for digital sharing, and PDF print for high-quality printing. If your design contains multiple pages, you can use the Select Pages option to export all pages or only the pages you need. Review your settings before downloading to make sure you've selected the correct format and pages. After everything is ready, click the Download button. Canva will process your design and automatically save the exported file to your computer. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder to confirm that the exported file has been saved successfully. You can now share it online, email it, upload it to websites, or print it depending on the file format you selected, and that's how you can easily export Canva designs in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Canva tutorials and technology guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.